Open the box. Remove the wrench tool and knife, setting all other parts aside. Ensure your blade is taped, covering the cutting edge. Open the knife to about a 45-degree angle, and loosen the pivot screw with the wrench tool until you feel it click. Use the pivot screw to push the front pivot and bearing out. Remove the pivot screw. Remove the rear pivot and bearing. You can use the wrench tool if needed to push the rear pivot out. Push the button in to remove the blade, the button, and the button spring. These are the areas you'll be cleaning first and then greasing second. Now to reassemble. Grab the bearing and rear pivot. Place in knife. Install the button spring and button into the handle. Note the orientation of the button. Depress the button to install the blade into the handle, noting that the blade locates around the rear pivot. Set the bearing onto the front pivot and the pivot screw into the rear pivot. Note the tab in the handle and the alignment slot in the front pivot. These two features must line up for the pivot to sit flush. Install the bearing and front pivot. If needed, you can use the pivot screw to push the front pivot up to help locate the front pivot alignment slot over the tab on the handle. Once the front pivot sits flush in the handle, loosen the pivot screw until it clicks and then tighten the pivot screw down snug. Push the button in to allow the blade to be recentered, and then tighten the pivot screw until the blade does not deploy. Once you tighten the pivot screw as far down as you can, incrementally loosen the pivot screw until the blade fully deploys and check your blade tuning. We want the blade to fall out past 90 degrees. Open the knife all the way. Push the button in and check for any side-to-side wiggle. If you see any side-to-side wiggle, the pivot screw must be tighter.